How you going, guys? Today we're just chatting about the systems we quite often provide for OEM, bodybuilder or trailer builders. So quite often this will be a customer who is building trailers or bodies, and what they're after is a system to suit them. Now they want a camera at the back, maybe a camera at the front, and maybe camera pointing a special way for whatever they want to do. It's probably best to come and talk to us about what you want, because we have a lot of knowledge here, and we can change the system to suit whatever is going to be best for you. In this case, this system I have here is a pretty basic 7-inch screen. It's a touch screen, which can be handy depending on what you're doing with it. That will sit in the truck for the operator. And we have two cameras here coming in. Now there's a camera that has 50-degree field of vision and 100. So they have one facing backwards as a reverse camera, and the other one is facing the channel as the asphalt comes out the back of the truck. And that is the setup for this truck. It's a cabled system, so they wanted two cameras on the back, 1080p HD quality, with a special focal sort of range to suit what they're after. And then the cable kit to run down the truck body, and then the coil cable to connect to the truck head, and then a touchscreen monitor in the cab. Now, depending on what you actually want to do, we have a lot of different options for you. But in this case, it was two cameras with Sony sensors, and obviously they have infrared lights for night vision. Everything looks pretty good, and a touchscreen 7-inch monitor that could actually take up to 4 cameras depending what they're after. Now, if you look at this closely, you'll be able to see both these cameras are facing the exact same way, and you can see the views of them are a little bit different, because one is this one will be the 100, no doubt. Yeah, that's the 100, and this is the 50 focal view. So basically it's just a bit more zoomed in, and it isn't going to capture as much, but it's going to capture a little bit more closer on. And that's what this customer needed. And then on here you got some actual basic settings. You can show how it displays, how it starts on a boot up, and it can also record the footage on an SD card on here if you did need this, for example, as some sort of footage recording. So that is why this is a pretty good setup overall. And if we go and cover each item individually, what we've got here is the cameras are pretty straightforward. This is a camera, 1080p HD. It will come with a bracket and a sunshade when you go mount it. Slides over there, sunshade goes on as you clip it in, and that'll be mounted like that. The sunshade is quite handy, because if the sun is coming direct into any type of camera, if you can protect it a bit, it will help. It's only going to be a small bit of the day, but that is what happens there. So you don't have to use the sunshade. And the back of the camera has mounting options like that. And that is the camera, all sealed, highly waterproof, 1080p with a 4-pin aviation plug, as you can see there. So that is basically that. Then the other camera in this setup was exact same. We can adjust your focal length for you if you need. But this is our 7-inch touchscreen. You can see that there. Non-waterproof model, so for in-cab. Comes with a sunshade that clips on the front to reduce glare, and a bottom mounting bracket that goes on the bottom. We can also supply a back bracket that slides up if you need a different mounting system. These are quite handy if you want vertical mount it up above, if you want to hang it, or from the bottom. If you do have an option where you need a smaller mount, we do have options for that as well. So just ask. It is 7-inch, pretty straightforward. It'll look a little bit scratched here because the screen protector is still on. Touch screen. That's it there. Built-in buzzer. On the wiring side, you have about 2 meters of cable, and then you have to power it up. Probably 3 meters of cable actually. So this can take 4 camera inputs, so 4 aviation 4-pin inputs. And then basically on here you have a power cable, so this needs to be hooked to ACC power. A ground, this goes to ground, so this will come on when it powers up. And all these other 4 other wires are trigger wires. Now if you put 12 volt down any of these trigger wires, you can actually make the screen trigger that camera. So for example, you could go, oh, your indicator comes on like left, that triggers that camera. We go into reverse, that triggers that camera. We do something else, that triggers that camera. As long as you can get the 12-volt input coming in, when that happens, you can trigger that camera and make it do what you need to do. So that's basically a setup. We've like covered the two cameras. They're both basically the same, just the focal length is different, and the screen. The cables are pretty straightforward. We supply 4-pin aviation cables made to whatever length you need. We can also customize those to include the trigger wire if you need them. If you need to get that trigger off that reverse light or somewhere else because you don't have it out the front of the cab. And then we also can provide the coil cables that go between the cab head and the trailer if you need that coil cable as well. Thank you.